Hi everyone. This is straight from dealership 2024 Hilux GRS. Before the clients going to send it to Lanao del Norte, they dropped by at PRS for phase 1 build. I represent you the black on matte olive wheels. We're using the custom color PE37 XT M spec with raised black chrome center cap and BF Goodrich KM3 tires to give that masculine look. Okay. For the suspension, we're using the complete Profender Queen series. We'll show you what are the package for the GRS Hilux. For the front, this is the coil over. The nice thing about the Profender Queen series, you can adjust the front by not pressing the coil spring. You can adjust it on the body of the shocks instead of the pressing the spring. And also, this is the adjustable stabilizer, adjustable sway bar link. And upper control arm by Profender. For the rear, this is the shocks and the lift block, the red one, that one. Okay. See the stance on the unit. Perfect. You don't see this every day. Black on matte olive green. If you like how we built here, feel free to message me. And no to fake wheels, guys. And please follow and like my YouTube channel, PRS Car Accessories and Services. See you here, guys. Bye.